Hey gang, Jerry here, and today we're going to do another video on our 35 hot rod truck from Factory 5. And I know it's been a while since we've done a video. Had to take a break off of summer, to do a lot of outdoor projects and things like that. But we finally got back on the hot rod and hit a great milestone. We finally started it up for the very first time last week. So what a great feeling that was. And I did make a really quick clip of us starting it up, so check it out. All right, check this out. So turn on the gauge and it'll do its gauge check. All right.
0 miles.
0 miles.
0 miles.
0 miles, and we're gonna do our first startup. Fuel's in, braking fluid's in. I do have 2 gallons of coolant. We will have to add more, but we're not going to run it for that long. Got a couple of quarts of trans fluid in the transmission so far, so we should be good. So, turn the key on. What an awesome feeling, hearing it run for the very first time. And I have to tell you that this thing just sounds like a beast, and it sounds crazy. To recap of what we have here, we have a blueprint engine, 302 small block with a automatic transmission, a 4R7AW that we bought the whole kit package from Blueprint Engine, specifically designed for the Factory 5 vehicles. So couple of things that I set up to get the engine to the running point. Of course, all fluids are in the vehicle. Got all the antifreeze in, fuel. Let's see, engine oil. I got the brake-in fluid, transmission fluid. As you can see here, up close. I just have a lot of the wiring ran very crudely right now. I'm gonna, once I work out all the bugs, I'll run it a lot cleaner. But right now we just have what we need to get everything fired up. If you come over here, for my particular application, this is where the coolant temperature sensor was mounted, the pickup on the gauge. This is the fan switch sensor to turn the fan on and off when it hits 80 degrees. Come over on this side. We have our oil temp sensor that I have mounted, and then as you can see here, I did make up kind of a makeshift dashboard. So I actually have the instrument cluster mounted, and I can see I have everything working. I have fuel sending unit hooked in, so I can see how much fuel I have, oil pressure, tachometer, miles per hour, voltage, and engine coolant temperature sensor. So everything's working okay right now. I have ran it a few times, got everything up to operating temperature, and topped off all the fluids. Surprisingly enough, I don't have any leaks. I mean, I thought for sure I would at least have maybe a couple of coolant leaks, because I'm not 100% fan of the cooling hoses, but I don't have any leaks, so I can't complain at this time. So we're gonna probably wrap the video up here. I'm going to continue to make additional videos to you know, as things go on and different processes that we make. But I just wanted to share this one real quick because it was just an awesome feeling firing this thing up. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of the new videos coming out. And always remember, gang, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.